So you do your test and you notice there's marks where your print quality isn't consistent. So you need to clean your print head. To do that, open it up, remove the label, take the labels out just so they don't fall out, set them aside. Now right here, not down here, you put your thumb, pull it up, and it comes right out. And then push the level forward. You take your Q-tip and clean it in there. And more than likely you're gonna find some dirt. And while you have it open, you can flip this up and make sure there's nothing in there. This is the sensor that keeps track of these to make sure your alignment is good. And you clean that, and you can use a can of air, or take like a wooden toothpick, something that's not too sharp that's going to damage anything, and clear that out if the alignment is your issue. And then to put it back, you have the bottom. There's a couple little hooks there. Put those on first, right there, right there. You kind of get in place before you snap anything, and then just push forward, and you're done. Of course, you want to just check your work, make sure it's all the way on, and you feed your labels through, you should be good to go.